Okay. Next one, K, punishment for misleading people. Here we go. Whoever does not truly require tzedakah, but misleads everyone into believing that he is poor and in need of money, will not leave the world until he is really in a need and has to turn for others to help. So like this clown that was collecting tzedakah using my name and Rabbi Reuven's name. Similarly, one who pretends that he has a physical blemish, for example, a limb, partially blind, etc., in order to receive tzedakah, will one day be punished in kind. So when he said that my daughter needs a surgery, or whatever surgery is, right? She needs a kidney transfer, right? And he would collect $70,000. Guess what? He's not even married. What daughter? Guaranteed that he's going to have daughter one day. He's going to get married. He's not going to stay single all his life. And his daughter is going to need the transfer. And guess what? Insurance is not going to pay. I'm not sure if insurance always pay, not always pay, but his insurance is not going to pay. And now he would need to go and collect. Very interesting. So don't play with fire here, because Hashem, that's a promise. Two promises. One, who is misleading people is going to punish in the like, and one who is pushing off tzedakah, right, as much as he can. Of course, as we said, don't let, you're not allowed to let the family suffer. Okay, he's going to be in position to give tzedakah one day. Continue. Furthermore, one who has a physical blemish but pretends that it is worse in order to collect greater amount of tzedakah will one day be similarly punished. Right. So as one lady said, I have to go to this government office and to get some benefits. So she said, should I take a walker? She does not even need a walker. I mean, the elderly lady, I said, God forbid. Don't do this. I said, if they're going to, if Hashem decide that they're going to approve your program, whatever this benefit, they're going to approve your benefit without worker. But if you take the worker, you're going to call upon your head very bad things. You understand? So that's not a good idea. Okay. Any questions on what you said? Okay. Yes, go ahead, sorry. Go ahead.
So, does this concept also apply to lying unnecessarily in any type of situation? Like someone that, let's say, he couldn't make it to work on time and he said a lie that something happened to his car or something like that. Does this apply to this type of situations?
Yes. I mean, we have to understand that Hashem is running the world. So, and somebody's late to work. So if you're going to, of course, we have to do our shtalus. So if you know that to get to work it takes you 40 minutes, so take 20 minutes extra and leave 1 hour earlier. So, and even when you left 1 hour earlier, still you came 20 minutes late. So just say the way it was. Otherwise, these lights are going to turn bad. So don't do that.